Enlightenment awaits, and it's just a flash away. What's the enlightening question of the day?
To find the IP address of your router, first ensure your computer is connected to your router's network. On Windows, open Command Prompt and type ipconfig. Look for default gateway under your network connection. This is your router's IP address. On Mac, go to System Preferences. Select Network, choose your connected network, and click on Advanced. Then the TCP/IP tab to find the router entry. This number is your router's IP address, typically formatted like 192.168 x or 10.0.x.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.